are you? It's me, Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm doing great. I wanted to teach you how to make a delicious snack. My husband, Brian, loves bits and bites, but what he doesn't love is all the fat and high sodium that's in it. And neither do I, frankly. I love to snack. I am definitely a snacker. I love my sweets and I love my savory. That's how I got into this mess, because I like everything. I'm a foodie, people. Anyways, I thought, why not try to lower the points, make it healthier, and enjoy everything that you want, especially in moderation, okay? Even healthy foods, it doesn't mean that you can just eat as much as you want. And on freestyle, just because things are free, people, you still have to measure and account for calories, all right? So just wanted to put that in there. I just love having a yummy snack and something that's not high in sodium, because you have to watch that too. Low in fat, low in sugar. So I'm going to teach you how to make bits and bites. I know, it's so yummy. And just remember, if you don't have all the ingredients I have, you can modify things. This is just a base. I tell everybody that in all my videos. You can do what you want. You don't have the exact same. Don't worry. You can find things, even if it's a couple of points more, it's not going to hurt you, okay? So I buy some of my things at the low-carb grocery store that's in Canada, but a lot of their products are in the States, and you can go on Amazon. Oh, my bagels are ready. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm going to... I just made a recipe for you guys, and now you're going to see this recipe, my blueberry bagels and my everything one. So I just put on broil for 2 minutes. Okay, let's get started. Enough of the yakking. I'm going to tell you that I'm going to show you the dry ingredients, and then I'm going to show you like the cereals and snacky part, and then I'll show you how to make the dressing for it, okay, the sauce that you need to put in it. What you're going to need is pretzels. Now I'm using unsalted pretzels, any brand, okay, and I'm using about a cup's worth. Now for 16 pretzels, it's 3 Smart Points. So I'm using 34 pretzels I measured out for 6 Smart Points. Again, you can use as much as you want. I love this Crispex cereal, and I'm using a cup and a half, and that's going to be 6 Smart Points. The other cereal that I really love that I get at the low-carb grocery store, I'm letting them know that I'm telling you their name, is the THÈSE protein cereal. If you want to just use Cheerios, it's a Cheerio type cereal, as you can see, but this one is really low in sugar and high in protein, 12 grams of protein, and we are using 3 cups. Each cup is 3 Smart Points, 9 Smart Points, okay, and I have that measured out. Now for the sauce, we're going to use, I can't believe it's not light butter, light. Okay, did I say that right? I can't believe it's not butter light. All right, so for a tablespoon, 1 Smart Point, 4 tablespoons, and we're going to melt it. You're going to need, if you want, this is optional, a teaspoon of onion powder. This is not optional. 1 tablespoon of Worcester. I just buy no name, okay? If you want a little zip, a splash of some red hot sauce. I like it. A tablespoon of garlic powder and a all-purpose seasoning spice, okay? I just have this one because it's low in sodium, and I'm going to use a tablespoon of it, okay? I love the roasted garlic and pepper seasoning, and I'm going to put in about a tablespoon, and then I like to sprinkle it on as I'm baking as well, okay? That's optional, but I like to add a little bit more during the baking time, and at the end I like it too. You don't have to do that. All right, you're going to preheat your oven to 250 degrees. We're baking it for about an hour. Every 20 minutes, just check it because you just want everything absorbed and crispy. So check your oven, low heat, and line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. What I love about parchment paper is I used it yesterday, wipe it off, use it again, okay? I love that. Okay, so I'm just gonna take my little Canada mug and I'm gonna take 4 tablespoons. Just looking for my little spatula. 4 tablespoons of the, I can't believe it's not like margarine. Well, they call it butter. I call it margarine because it looks like margarine to me. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right. Oh, I gotta check my bagels. I didn't time it. Oh, they're ready. Now I'm going to change my oven setting to 250. Okay, you guys are lucky because now you get to see my blueberry bagels. Here they are, blueberry and my everything bagels. So that was my new recipe that I did, my blueberry bagels. Oh, and my new mitts. I haven't even taken the tags off yet. Okay. So I have 4 tablespoons of the butter. Microwave it. You can put it on the oven top, but I'm just going to microwave it for about a minute. Okay, so take a nice large bowl. And I have the THèSE cereal, or you can use Cheerios. That's 2 cups, 3 cups. I've measured out my pretzels. What I like about these ones, there's no salt on it, okay? So we don't need the extra sodium. You're gonna get enough of the sodium with the other spices. So it comes out to just like a heaping cup, about 34, 36. If you use 37, that's okay. I'm not counting. And the CHEX cereal, 1.5 cups. Super, super easy. Okay, this is already done. It takes about 30 seconds or so in the microwave. I have a friend that doesn't even have a microwave. I know. She doesn't have a cell phone. I don't know who doesn't have a cell phone. So you just mix that up. Look at, you're gonna get a lot, people. It's really delicious. And this is super fast and easy to get it ready. Now, it does take some time in the oven. Some people like to keep it in an hour and a half. I found about an hour was perfect for these to bake. And don't worry if it seems like it's soggy at first, they do get crispy. So the 4 tablespoons of the butter or margarine, and I'm gonna add the Worcester to it. I just leave it in the mug because you don't need to dirty anything else. A teaspoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, and I have the all-purpose seasoning, a tablespoon, and my roasted red pepper seasoning. And I'm gonna just add a little bit of some Frank's hot sauce, why not? But you don't have to, you don't like anything spicy. I do, a little spice in your life, and you mix it, and that's it. I like to taste it. Some people add some sugar. You can if you want, but I don't. Let's taste it. Ooh, I like that. And you can just see that it's all mixed in and it's hot. All right, super fast, super easy. Pour it over, bim bam boom. I like to make sure I get all of it. Take your spatula. And just make sure that you coat all of it. This also makes a delicious, I mean, it makes a delicious snack, but it makes a nice gift. You can find some cute little bags or little bowls or, you know, containers, and you can bring it over when you're going to your friends or families for a celebration, and or just give it as a nice gift. People will be like amazed. My husband thinks I should sell it. He's become my #1 fan now. He's eating all my food up. Before he wouldn't even try it. Now he tries everything. All right, so you just take your lined cookie sheet, spread it out really well. I can't believe it. I remembered everything. I had it all measured out too. And let me just see. So I have the roasted red pepper seasoning just in this because that's a brand new one. And I still like to just add a little bit on top. Again, that's optional. And while I bake it, I like to add it as well. And I time it. I'm just going to stick it now in the oven. And every 20 minutes, I'm going to wipe my hands. Excuse me. I felt like something was in my throat. I probably tasted a pretzel before I started this video. Hey, it's great to snack on too. Cereal is an amazing snack, okay? So, or pretzels. They're really good. So every 20 minutes, you're just going to take your spatula or whatever. Don't use your hands because it's still going to be hot, and just mix it around. And then you're going to check to make sure that they're crispy. Now, I'm not going to wait an hour because I made them yesterday. I made a lot. My husband was eating them like crazy. So I just want to tell you the whole thing for the way I make it is 25 smart points. And I measured out about 7 cups with the pretzels and everything together. So, you know, just measure and divide. So if you want a whole cup's worth, okay, then you account for the amount of smart points if you're doing Weight Watchers. And here they are, people. Crispy, delicious. I can't believe they've lasted because he was eating them like crazy, and my daughter. And just so good. Keep them in a sealed container or in a baggie. Again, you can give them as a gift. Keep them when your guests come. They're going to love them. And this way you have something healthy when you bring something to people's homes. Don't ask, just bring. And there's no nuts in it. If you want to add other things to it, of course you can, just to account for the smart points, but they are good on their own. All right, so bits and bites, delish, and nutrish. Do you like that? Risa-fied version. I hope you love this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe and share and tell everybody, people, okay? Lots more recipes are going to be coming your way. And take care. I love you guys. Keep those comments coming. I love them. And I do answer your comments. All recipes are written under each video, okay? Take care. Bye for now.